Before you decide to buy TunnelBear, there are some important things you need to know. If you're considering using this VPN service, it's crucial to compare it to other options available and see if it's truly the best fit for you. Let's dive into the 12 key points you need to consider before making your decision. First up, TunnelBear is known for its simplicity and ease of use. This VPN is perfect for beginners who don't want to deal with complicated setups or features. But when compared to competitors like NordVPN or ExpressVPN, it doesn't have as many advanced options, so it's more suited for casual users. Next thing you should know is about its pricing. TunnelBear is one of the more affordable options, especially for those who are looking for a free plan. The free version gives you 500 megabytes of data per month, which isn't much, but it's great for light browsing or trying out the service. However, if you need more data, you'll have to upgrade to the paid version. This is where TunnelBear differs from others like CyberGhost, which offers more generous free trials. The third thing to consider is the server network. TunnelBear has over 40 server locations in 26 countries. While this is decent, it's a lot fewer than what you get with services like ExpressVPN, which offers 90 plus countries. If you need a broad server selection for specific regions, TunnelBear might fall short. The fourth thing is its security features. TunnelBear uses AES 256 encryption, which is industry standard and keeps your data secure. But when compared to premium competitors, TunnelBear lacks some extra layers like double VPN or a dedicated IP option, which are available on NordVPN or CyberGhost. The fifth thing is its speed. TunnelBear offers decent speeds for general browsing, but if you're looking to stream in 4K or download large files, it might not be the fastest option out there. ExpressVPN, for example, is often considered the gold standard for speed. Moving on, TunnelBear's privacy policy is solid, claiming a no logs policy, which is a big plus. However, it's worth noting that it's based in Canada, a Five Eyes country, which could raise concerns about potential data sharing with government agencies. This is something to keep in mind if privacy is a top priority for you. The seventh point is about the platform support. TunnelBear is available on Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android, and also has browser extensions. But if you're looking for more advanced platforms like Linux or routers, you might want to look elsewhere, as it doesn't have support for those. The eighth thing to note is the kill switch feature. TunnelBear offers a kill switch on its desktop apps, which cuts your internet connection if the VPN disconnects unexpectedly, protecting your data. This feature is not available on the mobile version, so keep that in mind. Next, TunnelBear has a solid reputation for its ease of setup, which is a huge advantage for users who just want something that works out of the box. Unlike more complex services like NordVPN, TunnelBear doesn't require a ton of configuration, making it a good option for people who want simplicity over customization. The 10th thing is customer support. TunnelBear has a helpful support team that can assist you via email, and they also have an extensive knowledge base. However, it lacks live chat support, which is something you'll get with other providers like ExpressVPN. The 11th thing is that TunnelBear does not unblock as many streaming services as its competitors. For example, it has limited success with Netflix and other geo-blocked content compared to services like Surfshark or NordVPN, which are known for consistently bypassing geo restrictions. Finally, TunnelBear offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, which allows you to test the service risk-free. If you're not happy with it, you can easily get a refund. That said, if you're looking for more comprehensive features or a wider server network, TunnelBear may not be the best option for you. In conclusion, TunnelBear is a solid choice if you're looking for a beginner-friendly VPN with simple features at an affordable price. However, if you need more advanced features like better speed, more servers, or stronger streaming capabilities, we recommend checking out our top recommended solution. The best part? You can try it for free and see if it's the right fit for you.